bought this telescope was something inside here I want. Hey, welcome to Live Polarex. Thank you for watching my show again. We have something amazing again. Keep looking, but you don't want to miss this beautiful telescope, this vintage telescope. I got that vintage telescope again. Yes. Oh, like this. Let's do something fun. I'm going to make this open. It's a kind of magic. So. And voila! The box has disappeared in front of your eyes. Oh, amazing, I believe. Okay, we're gonna open this telescope. Maybe I have to do a close-up, so... okay, I'm gonna open those two switches. So, yes, I got those. Okay. Got those seats, I got those, this I wanted actually. Wow, look like new man this. Wow, cheers. Okay, a little bit of this is vintage, man. Wow, look at this dude. Ah, wow. This, oh, cool. Okay, then this color, oh wow, cool. I think this has to go in here. Oh, it's also this one. Yeah, see. This one is a little bit rare, this one. Because yes, still, I don't even can see it. It's the crushing, this one. If you touch this, it will break. Trust me. Wow, cool. Let's see Polarex in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, take Polarex. I got Polarex. Oh wow, cool. Oh yeah, I got them. Yeah, looks okay. A little bit. Super happy, you know. You know what, you guys, this goes on here. It's the lens cover. I'm super happy you got this, you guys. In my first videos, the telescope update call it, I threw this away actually in the air because I think it was not original. See, I got more of those in the maybe also. So it looks like original, yeah. Oh, funny. So this is another telescope I got. Other lenses. But this one I have to fix a little bit. This one is also a little bit rare, this one, because it has this one in it. I don't know what goes in here. Something to go here. Oh, maybe in a box goes in here. I got everything. It's got everyone box. But this is still not in here. What goes in here actually, I wonder. I got another big box here. This box goes in actually. Oh, here. This also paying box. Everything, you guys. You have your bottles. What's this? Oh wow, I got an extra thing here. This is not original, this. You can see it directly. But hey, it's on it, so it's cool. I think this has to go in here. Like a lens cover goes in here. Wow, cool, you guys. Yeah, super happy, you guys. Another Polarex I got. This is a 4-inch, wow, super happy guys. This is a 4-inch telescope. I got, I have to count now. If 1, 2, 3 I got now, I believe. No, 4 I got now. I got 4 now. Because one is in the box. I got 1 in the box there, I believe. 1 in the box I have. Don't look at my mess, please. Wow, this is crazy. What have you? 4 mm's. I'll show you this face as a thing to show to you. Looks very clean, man. Look like never been used, you know? Because I have another thing, but if you see that one, I'll use that thing. Just look like new, this one. This one goes in here. And there's little screws here. There's little screws, you have to open it. It's maybe already open. And then this one you go push him in. Push him in here. So I'm going, I don't know. Turn a little bit light on this. That is beautiful, wow. And then you close those, let's do like so. Then you close this. This is for the sun protection. Have to do everything at balance or something. See how cool, you guys? And this one, this black one also on here. So maybe I don't know. I don't know. I'm busy already. See you guys. Oh, that's super cool. And so, and this goes like so. You have to go like so. But have to position it. So, and then the lens. Then you look at this at the sun, and then you have a special lens of no lens you can do. But and then the sun will reflects on here. So I have to do it one time, so I never do it because sun is very powerful. So it looks like a guy dropped this if you look at it. Or maybe you have to be like this, I don't know. But it's very heavy now. 4-inch. Oh, I cannot. You have to lift this with 2 hands. So yeah, I'm super happy, you guys. Oh. Another 4-inch telescope I got. Another 4-inch telescope. Look at this beautiful telescope, you guys. Look at this beautiful telescope. This Polarex 4-inch. It's super cool. Oh, one is moving. Let's fix it. But I have to quickly do the damage. Look how beautiful it is, you guys. Oh, Polarex 4-inch. Man, I'm doing a workout, you know. Very beautiful. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put them back in the box. The paint. Yeah. Okay. Now, thank you for watching my video again. I'm very tired now. The workout, you guys. But keep looking because something super amazing income. I cannot tell it yet. So first have to get it, and then I will tell to you what I have. So, but I can tell you, it's maybe once in a lifetime you can get this. So keep looking. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye. I will say see you later, you guys. Over and out. Okay. Take 3. Thank you for watching Live Polarex again, and this is Live Polarex. Thank you for watching my show. This is Live Polarex. Thank you for watching my show again. It's nice to see you, and take 4. I'm gonna do my magic sim ala bim. Hasta la pasta. Nee, just